Hey everybody, welcome back to the garage. In this next video, we're going to fix the central locking system on our 300SD, so stick around. Alright, welcome back to the garage everyone. So, when I picked up this car, the original owner told me that the central locking system did not work. They didn't explain why, but it became readily apparent pretty soon after I took the car home. So what we have here is basically a missing central locking vacuum pump. It wasn't broken, it was simply missing. And the vacuum line is right there. And I've been in here testing with my voltmeter. And I've determined the blue wire is lock, the yellow wire is unlock, and the brown is ground. And I simply connected my voltmeter to those wires, and I came around here and I locked and I unlocked my door. So when I go to unlock, you would see 12 volts on the yellow wire. Okay, and if I come back over here and locked it, you would see the voltage on the yellow wire go to 0 or near 0, and you move the meter to the blue wire and you would see 12 volts on that wire. So that tells me that the signaling coming from the driver's door to the central locking vacuum pump was good. Alright, so we're back over here at the bench, and if you don't know how this central locking vacuum pump works, it's pretty simple really. You have one port. This thing will either suck or blow depending upon what's going on. When you lock your doors, this thing will suck and pull all the door locks down, and when you unlock, this port will blow and push all of the door locks up. Okay, here are your pins. This top pin here is ground, this left one is lock, and this right one is unlock. So on the wiring harness in this car, the blue wire goes here, the yellow wire goes here, and the brown wire goes there. Alright, so now what we're going to do is, oh yeah, I forgot to mention that the other thing that was missing was the little round wiring connector that actually plugs into here. Those are kind of hard to find. I've been looking on eBay and various other places. I haven't found one yet, but I think what I'm going to do is kind of just rig something together to keep the wires from touching one another. And we're going to get this pump. I've already bench tested this pump. I know it works. So we're going to get this guy in the trunk and we're going to test the locks. All right, we've got the vacuum pump sort of hooked up in test mode here. Got each wire in the proper location: blue for lock, yellow for unlock, brown for ground, and we have the vacuum connected. And let's go see what happens. All right, moment of truth. We are unlocked currently. Hey, look at that. All right, that should have locked the trunk lid as well, so let's test that. Let's try to press our button and see what happens. Nope, nothing happens. We've got to use the key for that. Also, our filler cap, that's locked. Rear door locked. Right passenger door locked. I can't believe how easy of a fix that was. That was just fantastic. All right, here we go. Let's go for an unlock. Oh yeah. All right. Trunk lid unlocked. Oh yeah, there we go. Fantastic. Filler flap unlocked. All my doors unlocked. Well folks, I tell you what, I am simply amazed. The only thing wrong with the central locking system in this 300SD was a missing pump. I'm blown away by that. I don't have to go into the doors and troubleshoot the vacuum lines. I don't have to troubleshoot the electrical harness, fuses, any of that stuff. I got really fortunate here. But anyway, this video will give you a little bit of an overview of how the central locking system in a Mercedes 300SD functions. So, hey, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching, everyone. Take it easy.